top, all of the rotted boards on top. And there's the original. This was what was in the kitchen, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what do you think that is?
That's basically what it is.
You think that's
Pine.
pine?
Pine floors.
Okay. You can get that? Or do you need help? This thing weighs a ton. That's how they made them back in the good old days.
You're gonna have to paint underneath here.
Yeah, I'll have to do that to touch it up. So hopefully this fits. And it's flat and nice. And what I did with the other ones, there's one in the front. Need to be, look at that. I took black paint and I painted the wood where they had patched the hole from the old duct work. And so, well, you know what, let me see if I can show you one. This right here, there's a piece of wood underneath there and I just painted it black. So that way you can't tell that's what's underneath it. And I think that's it. Oh, I did this one too. This one underneath here, you can't see very well, but it was just wood they used to patch it, and then I just painted it, and then it blends right in, and so it's keeping the register, whatever, it's keeping it blocked. So creatures won't try to find their way out of the basement, which would be creepy. So what would you do now if it's a little bit uneven? How do you fix that?
Well, it's uneven because the floor is uneven.
Ah.
So you got a high spot on the floor and a low spot on the floor from where the water damage was, and so it just rocks out. So when you put weight on it, it flattens it out, but you get off of it.
Definitely looks better than rotted wood.
So there's that low spot right there.
Mm-hmm. Can you stick something underneath it, a little shim or something?
Oh yeah, we could shim it.
So that's then my takeover. Then I need to paint. Let it dry, and then we'll put that back, and it's going to look beautiful.
Put that block there. That's two.
Fixed. Perfect. There we go. Okay. And this was our last one that needed to be repaired or replaced. Everything else now, the floors are all in and good and historically authentic in some ways, which is awesome. Okay. Anything else you want to add?
Hallelujah. One more project done.
All right.